Hello everyone, welcome to Children Paradise. For those who don't know me, my name is Shivani and I make kids related videos, DIYs and lots more. So if you haven't checked out our channel till now, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like our channel. Okay, our today's topic is all about holiday season. I get so excited and to make this holiday videos related to kids, and there is so much to share with you guys. Today's video I am going to be talking about those educational toys and gifts that you can gift or buy for your kids during this holidays. So let's get started. So the first toy I would like to suggest is this puzzle globe. This is an amazing globe for learning. I feel you can start this as early as 2.5 or 3 years of age. And this is so much fun as it is a puzzle globe. So the pieces comes out and kids can put it in. And this can be a great way of learning geography and introducing geography to our kids at an early age. I would be linking down below everything I can or whatever I show in this video. So if you want to go ahead and grab one, you can do that. Now the next game is the Guess Who game. This is an amazing game. It gives kids a lot of opportunity to ask questions to each other and to have reasoning and logical thinking. I believe this game is super fun. When Ria and Vihan both play this game, they have so much questions in their mind, and this game helps them to think logically and great way of enjoying. So basically how you play this game is, I will quickly brush through it. There are 2 players in this and you have to ask your opponent question. Basically you have to judge the card she has. Each player grabs a card and gets a person, and you have to judge the person she is having. So you ask your opponent questions like what kind of hair he has, or does he have a mustache, does your player have an hat, is he wearing a hat, or is he a boy or a girl. So this way they come to know, and you narrow down your cards, and then you guess who the person is. So it's fun. Now the next one is cool DIY activity made by Ria's teacher. She just took a cookie sheet, and I love the way she printed out a paper with all the letters, all these lower cases, and just print it out and stick it on the cookie sheet. And then she made this magnets out of these letters, and it's so amazing. You can just stick the magnet behind the letters, and then the kids enjoy making words out of it, and a great way of teaching kids words. The next one is this fractions. This is one of my favorite. It says rainbow magnetic fraction. Tiles, it comes in tiles, circles. This I bought it from Amazon, and they are so good. They have magnets behind them, so it sticks on the whiteboard or on your fridge, and kids enjoy doing that. So these are all different fractions here which they can learn. They have other fraction pieces as well, which kids of all ages can learn accordingly. Now this is the sight word SWOT. This is a very fun loving game. They have this small little attractive bees here with the sight words written on them, and you have to put them all down and then search for a word and SWOT it. Spot for a word and SWOT it. So it's fun for kids. The next one is the scavenger hunt, where if you are looking for some funny game or some fun at home, then you will enjoy this. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to mention down in the comments below about your Santa gifts. Let us know how did you spend your holidays. We are excited to know, and let us know which one was your favorite and which game do you think your kids would have enjoyed and had fun. So bye and see you soon.